Hello. Welcome to Learn Allen 1 Academy. You're about to see the question. To succeed, please make sure you try it on your own first. Pause the video. Write down your answer on a piece of paper. Then play the video again to check your answer. This method will help you understand the topic better and strengthen your learning. The question is coming up in the next slide. Good luck. Here's your question. Find the value of x if 2x plus 30 plus 4x plus 60 equals 180. Now it's time to pause the video and give it a try. Now let's reveal the answer. We know 2x plus 30 plus 4x plus 60 is equal to 180. Step 1. Group like terms. 2x plus 4x equals 6x, and 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. So the equation becomes 6x plus 90 is equal to 180. Step 2. Subtract 90 from both sides. 6x equals 180 minus 90. 6x equals 90. Step 3. Divide both sides by 6. X equals 90 divided by 6. X equals 15. Thank you for watching. See you in another video with a different question. Question-wise learning is the best. And remember, practice makes perfect.